Hi, I'm Matt from WASPrescue.com. I'm going to quickly run you through the unit. The WASP is a movement and vibration detector. It's a unique piece of equipment. It will monitor movement and vibration through 360 degrees in any position that you put it in. The unit is extremely versatile and can be used in many operational incidents. For example, monitoring shoring systems, partially collapsed buildings, trench rescue systems, road traffic collisions, critical emergency lifting scenarios, flood, storm damaged structures, anchoring points for rope incidents. It's a self-contained unit that will provide continuous monitoring for up to a week. The unit will attach to anything, primarily with a 50 kilogram pull force magnet on the back. If there is nothing made of metal, then we can use various attachments which are all included with the kit. It's extremely easy to operate. On the top of the unit is a series of dials, one for movement, one for vibration, an on-off button, a rotational volume switch and a set button. The movement is through 0 through 2.6 degrees and the vibration is 0 to 100 Hertz. A very simple operation. Just decide what range of movement you need, press the set button and shut the lid. It will then flash 4 times a minute to show the operators that the unit is calibrated and working. If the unit is then moved up or down, it will go into full alarm. The volume can then be taken off and obviously we check whether the area that you're monitoring has moved. To find out more, go to wasprescue.com or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.